Hi guys, good evening. Right now it's about 5:30 and today is 19th of August 2020. So how are you people? And I hope you had a good day, trading day. But today I think market was more or less range bound, except a few stocks which gave good movement, like for example, Zeal gave a very nice movement, and to an extent, Muthoot was giving good movement, and Adani Enterprises gave a very nice movement. National Aluminium was a good move, and PVR, if you remember. So before I go on to that, I'm your host, Dr. Seema Jain right now. I'm a SEBI registered research analyst, founder and chief mentor at StockPro, partner with Zerodha, Upstocks, Fires, and Stock Astha Trade, right? So this is my credentials, and here these are the ways you can contact my team. This is a WhatsApp number. You can contact on Twitter, Facebook, website, or Telegram. And best is to send a WhatsApp on this number. You will get the reply. Okay, so I want to talk about these are the stocks that I had given yesterday in the video, right? So let me take you here. Before that, this is my Telegram channel. Be present here. You definitely get some very good stocks here every single day, right? And if you make money, please suggest the channel, the Telegram channel, the YouTube channel to all others. So this is my YouTube channel, and this is the stock that I posted yesterday. And there were 4 stocks that I have given, right? I had given PVR, L&T FNH, UBL, and Godrej Properties. So what I'll do, I'll take you here on my TradingView platform and show you that look at the blast in PVR. My buy was above this place, which is 1290. It went up till about this place, right, which is 1346, almost good amount of about 50 points or more than that, 46 plus 10, 56 points we got. United Breweries made a high of 1034, and I told you people to buy it above 1016 or 1010, like I will be able to see it here. So on here, I think I've written it somewhere, or maybe here you can see. So buy it above 1010, right? This was 1290. This is 1010. And let's have a look at what happened to L&TFH. L&TFH has actually opened gap up, then went up and came down, right? So whenever a gap up, and when I say gap up, it should be at least 0.5% gap up, right? If a stock opens gap up by 0.5% for 1% or so, then we need to ignore it, right? So this was a gap up opening, and Godrej Properties opened here, went up, and then came down, right? So still it's range bound. The buy has initiated, stop loss has not triggered yet, right? So we'll just wait. So I've got some more stocks for tomorrow, and out of them, the first I'm going to take you here. I've written the latest stocks as well. We will be buying GAIL. We will have GAIL on a buy side. GAIL will be on a buy side. HDFC on buy side, Federal Bank on buy side, and Dr. Reddy on sell side. These are the trades that I have decided for tomorrow. So let me take you to the platform and explain you what all we will be doing. So the first one is Federal Bank. So look at the Federal Bank. It has had a good, like the way this candle has closed, if you have a look, so see here, this is a resistance for the stock for quite many days. Today, the candle could manage to go above this, but it got resistance and came down. So above today's high, which is 56, is what going to be our entry. Our 56 will be our entry. Stop loss will be around 54 or so. And target will be definitely about till 58, right? So we're going to take an entry at 56, 2 points stop loss, 2 points target. But if 58 is broken, see what I'm looking at, the price is gradually shifting in the upward direction, right? So I'm expecting if the volumes come, it may go above 58.6 as well. And if it If that happens, then I can expect a target of 60 for sure, and then 62.5. Right? That's one stock. The next stock that I have filtered is the HDFC Bank, right? So yesterday was a voluminous scandal. Huge volumes have come, and today was a doji, a little indecisiveness in the market, and this is a very, very strong barrier to the stock, right? 1070. If that is broken, we can expect a good move up till 1084. That's our first target. The next target is going to be 1095, then 1105, and then it's going to be 1120. And your stop loss is going to be very small in this case. It's going to be 1055. So I have told you Federal Bank, HDFC Bank, then comes GAIL. Look at the volumes that have come today. And if you want to draw the line, support line, trend line, you will see that this has been nicely respecting it, right? There are 4 points which lie on the same line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? So this means this line is this trend line is very, very respectable trend line, right? So what I'm expecting that this need to be broken. This need to be broken, and tomorrow we can expect a good buying opportunity in GAIL, right? Then one stock I have on my radar for sell. So look at how this has been accumulating in this zone, right? So this becomes a very, very, rather I would say distributing, right? Because all the bearish tones are setting in. If you notice, look at this candle, bearish engulfing, price rejection on this candle, price rejection on this candle. Today it's almost like a bearish engulfing, right? But what is important, that the stock is honoring 4473 as massively, right? From here, there could be a bounce. What can be expected from here? There could be a bounce from here. It may come like this and then go like that. Or if it's breaking, then it'll come further down. So what will be our levels in case it comes down? Our level is going to be, the first level is going to be 4390, right? The low of this is going to be our first level. And if it is broken, then 4430, and then 4250. These are the levels that can be expected with a stop loss of about 100 points, or not even 100. So this is about 4473. So stop loss is going to be 4560, right? This high is going to be the stop loss at the top, and we're going to be selling it here at 4475. First target, like it'll be a very big fall that I'm expecting. First fall will be of 100 points, then it'll be about 30-35 points, and then it'll be again a big fall can be expected till about 4250. Right, these are the levels for Dr. Reddy's. Then I have another stock on my radar, Century Textile, right? This is another stock that I have on Century Textile. So for Century Textile, a very, very important level is 355. So tomorrow, if it breaks today's high, suppose the opening happens somewhere here, यहाँ कहीं पे इसकी opening होती है बीच में, and we get an opening somewhere here, and it crosses this place, then the first target that I can expect is about 11 points, and if that's broken, then it has almost freedom to go as much as up as possible. Next target will be 370. The next target will be 385, and then 400, like that. And my stop loss is going to be at this place of about 30 points, right? So these are 4 stocks, but before I close, I want to also discuss about Nifty. So this is the diagram that I have drawn on Nifty. Now see, Nifty has entered in a important zone, right? This zone has to be broken. By looking at the banking sector, by looking at the financial sector, market looks positive to me, but we can't say tomorrow the what do you say, the expiry game will be on, so we don't know what will happen. But let's have a look at the option chain. So if you see here 11,400, a lot of puts have been added up today, right? So let me just calculate for you how many puts have been added, what kind of money has been added up. So that will probably make us understand. So 1,1581,225, right? I'm dividing it by the lot size, so 21087 lots have been added up, and I'm going to multiply this with one lot of money requires, I think, about 80,000 rupees. So about 200 crores have been deployed here. Roughly about 200 crore. This money is actually 200 crores. If I calculate, this is 200 crores, right? And at the same time, there are options written here, here, and here as well, right? On the other side, if you see here, these options have been unwinded, right? If you notice, here the options have been unwinded. इस जगह पे options unwind हुए, right? So, and there is option unwinding happening here also, because probably the value has become too cheap, right? 75 paisa. So this is where some new contracts have been written today, right? So looking at it, it looks that there will be a resistance and heading up, right? 11,500, 11,550, these are going to be resistance areas. But at the same time, there is a support at 11,400. So what I'm expecting tomorrow, Nifty to be range bound, right? So Nifty for few days will remain range bound, and once it crosses this 11,600 zone, I'm expecting a very good move up from here, right? So with this, I'm signing off. Hope you like the videos. Hope you liking the accuracy. If you want to have a look, what was Voltas? Where is Voltas? Voltas I've given 2-3 days back. So have a look at Voltas. No, sorry, not this Voltas. Have a look at this Voltas. This blue line is my level of buying, and look at where it stands. I've given DLF you the other day, right? If you remember, DLF limited was given, right? That also has given a blast. Which video was this? Let me just quickly have a look and see breakout stocks for tomorrow. So I quickly want to have a look. No, these are not the ones. Nifty, Jubilant Food. There was Jubilant Food, Voltas, DLF, and LIC Housing Finance. Wow, look at the trades. So DLF you've seen, Voltas you have seen, right? Jubilant Foods. Have a look at Jubilant Food. It is still blasting up, right? Jubilant Food is still blasting up. My buying was somewhere here, and I told you this is going to be the first target. Now, if this place crosses, 1972, I can expect further up move from here. And the next was LIC Housing Finance. Look at the move in LIC Housing Finance today, right? So when I give stocks, it doesn't mean the next very day you have to do intraday trading. It can come, breakout can come in any few days as well, right? So I'm just going to write down where will you be buying GAIL so that we have a reference point. So we will be buying GAIL right above this place, 102, right? So I'm just going to write, I'm not writing buy above, I'm just writing in the bracket 102, right? HDFC Bank, where will we buy it? We'll buy it above this place, 1070. These are all for the reference, right? So that हमें problem नहीं हो बाद में. 1070. Federal Bank, I think, was 56. And Dr. Reddy's was a sell, right? Dr. Reddy is a sell at 4470, below 4470. Right? So these are the stocks for tomorrow and a few more days. Just keep them on radar and keep remaining connected to the videos and to the channel. You will, I'm assuring you, you will make good money. And tomorrow again we have live trading. So see you guys tomorrow. All the best, and please keep making money and keep sending us the screenshots. Bye bye. Take care. See you tomorrow.